Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to view installed apps on Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge on your PC. Click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the page. Hover your mouse on Apps and select View Apps. Apps window will open. Apps that you have installed recently will be shown here. Now click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of this window and select Manage Apps from the drop-down menu. On this page, you can view and manage all the apps that you have installed. To access an app, click the Open button next to it. This is how you can view installed apps on Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching.